Nursing students at Fresno State now have a state-of-the-art facility that simulates the work they'll do in the real world. Action News reporter Deshonta Bullock has details on the high-tech patients that are helping to educate future nurses.
Soothing the swaddled baby is no easy task for nursing students.
The baby cries, so that's a lot of what babies are going to do in the hospital.
But this baby isn't actually the real thing. It's a mannequin, and it's part of the learning environment at Fresno State's brand new Knorr simulated nursing lab.
There we go.
The lab was funded by an endowment from Alfida Knorr, a Valley nurse who left her $250,000 estate to the university. Nursing students say new technology is allowing them to sharpen critical thinking and judgment skills.
Now we actually have someone that talks back to us. We have a chest that moves. We have pulses that we can feel.
Students say Vera is as real as it gets. Vera can blink. You can even listen to her heartbeat. And if she needs oxygen, she actually turns blue.
We could have them sweat or cry or vomit or bleed.
Well, I finished nursing school back in 1968. We didn't have these kind of mannequins. We had a man or two, but they didn't do anything.
Everything from the mannequin's voice to shivering arms and bodily functions are controlled in a separate room by educators.
So it is a little bit like NASA.
Multiple cameras display and record the work students perform on their patients. Then they all sit down and talk about what was done right or wrong.
If they make a mistake, then they usually identify themselves, which is a great way to learn, and there's no harm to any patients.
While there's no substitute for real patients, students say this lab is preparing them and helping them build the confidence they'll need when they're called on to save a life. In Northeast Fresno, Deshonta Bullock, ABC30 Action News.